1. Hook. Many beginners believe that C/CD is a silver bullet for all their development woes. But what if I told you that's just one of many myths? 2. The real problem. C/CD stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. They think it's just about automation. They overlook the cultural and strategic shifts needed. This leads to frustration, wasted time, and failed deployments. 3. The simple explanation. In simple terms, C/CD is about integrating code changes regularly and deploying them quickly. It's not just a tool set, it's a mindset. With C, developers merge their changes back to the main branch frequently, often multiple times a day. With CD, those changes get pushed to production automatically. Here's a breakdown: continuous integration, merge code often. Run automated tests. Continuous deployment, automatically deploy successful builds to production. This process helps catch bugs early and speeds up delivery. But you can't just automate and walk away. You need a solid foundation of practices, tools, and team collaboration. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a startup called QuickCart. They aim to launch a new e-commerce feature within 6 weeks. They had a small team of 5 developers, and initially, they didn't implement C/CD. Instead, they pushed code in batches every 2 weeks. Their integration process was manual, and testing fell behind. After 3 weeks, they faced a major setback. Their code base had diverged significantly, leading to merge conflicts. They spent an entire week fixing bugs, delaying their launch. Only after realizing the value of C/CD did they implement a pipeline. They set up automated tests to run on every pull request. They also began deploying updates to a staging environment daily. By the end of the 6 weeks, they not only launched on time but also reduced bugs by 40%. Their development process transformed, allowing them to pivot quickly in future projects. 5. What to do instead. Here's a simple framework to get started with C/CD. Step 1. Choose your tools. Version control. Use Git for managing code. C/CD platforms. Consider options like Jenkins, CircleC, or GitHub Actions. Step 2. Set up your C pipeline. Automate testing. Write unit tests and integration tests. Aim for at least 80% test coverage. Trigger builds. Set your C to trigger on every pull request. Step 3. Implement continuous deployment. Staging environment. Create a staging environment that mirrors production. Deploy every successful build here. Automated deployment. Use tools like Docker and Kubernetes for containerization and orchestration. Step 4. Monitor and iterate. Logging. Implement logging and monitoring tools. Feedback loop. Regularly review deployment success rates and user feedback. Step 5. Foster a C/CD culture. Team training. Conduct workshops. Ensure everyone understands the C/CD process. Emphasize collaboration. Encourage developers to share knowledge and troubleshoot together. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Overlooking testing. Fix. Write comprehensive tests before deploying. Aim for at least 80% coverage. Mistake 2. Ignoring documentation. Fix. Document your C/CD process and update it regularly. Include setup instructions and troubleshooting tips. Mistake 3. Not using branching strategies. Fix. Implement a branching strategy like Git flow. This helps manage features and bug fixes without affecting the main branch. Mistake 4. Relying solely on automation. Fix. Don't ignore the human element. Regularly conduct code reviews and pair programming sessions. Mistake 5. Failing to monitor deployments. Fix. Set up monitoring and alerts for your production environment. Use tools like Sentry or New Relic to catch issues early. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to ensure you're on the right track. Version control is set up. C pipeline is automated. Tests cover at least 80% of your code. Staging environment is running. Monitoring tools are in place. Documentation is up to date. 8. Summary plus CTAC/CD can seem daunting, but breaking it down into actionable steps makes it manageable. By avoiding common pitfalls and fostering a culture of collaboration and learning, you can enhance your development process significantly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What C/CD myth did you believe? Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights that can help you and your startup thrive. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.